Ever wondered why the rich seem to keep getting richer? It's not just luck or inheritance, it's about how they manage their money. That's right, folks. The secret to growing wealth isn't buried in a treasure chest or hidden behind some complex financial jargon. It's all about smart, strategic, and disciplined financial management. You see, the wealthy don't just earn and spend, they prioritize investing, saving, and spending wisely. They understand that every dollar is a soldier, and they ensure that each soldier is working hard to bring more soldiers home. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're going to pull back the curtain on the world of the wealthy, revealing the 5 key rules they live by. These aren't clandestine codes or cryptic conduct. They're simple, straightforward, and practical rules that anyone, no matter their current financial situation, can start implementing today. These are the principles that guide the rich in their financial decisions, the strategies they use to increase their wealth constantly, and the habits that keep their money growing. And the best part? You don't need a 6-figure salary to start. These rules are not exclusive to the elite. They're universal principles that can guide anyone towards financial prosperity. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of the rich? Ready to take control of your financial future? Ready to start growing your wealth like the wealthy do? If you are, then stick around. We're just getting started. But before we dive into the first rule, be sure to subscribe to this channel to unlock more finance knowledge in future. Okay, rule 1, live below your means. This isn't about sacrificing luxury, it's about making smart choices. Imagine a life where your bank balance isn't a source of stress, but a resource that you can tap into when you truly need it. This doesn't mean you have to give up on your Starbucks coffee or your Netflix subscription. It's about understanding the difference between your wants and your needs. Now let's be practical. Needs are essential for your survival, like food, housing, and healthcare. Wants, on the other hand, are things that improve your life, but you can live without. It's okay to indulge in your wants, but not at the expense of your needs or your future. Start by taking a hard look at your expenses. Where's your money going? Are there areas where you could cut back? Maybe it's that expensive gym membership you rarely use or eating out every day. Small changes can make a huge difference. Remember, the goal is wealth, not just rich appearances. Rule 2, make saving a habit. It's not about the amount, but the consistency. Imagine a water droplet. By itself, it's insignificant. But a steady drip over time can fill a bucket, even overflow it. The same principle applies to saving. $1, $10, $50 tucked away regularly can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Developing a habit of saving isn't just about stashing away cash. It's about cultivating a mindset of financial discipline, of prioritizing the future over instant gratification. It's about seeing every dollar as a seed, and every act of saving as planting that seed for your financial future. Many find it useful to set up automatic savings. This way, a portion of your income is automatically transferred into a savings account before you even have a chance to spend it. You're essentially paying your future self first. And remember, it's not about how much you save, it's about how often. So whether it's a dime or a dollar, make it a habit. Put it in your savings and watch it grow. As they say, a penny saved is a penny earned. Rule 3, invest wisely. This is where the wealthy really stand out. The road to wealth isn't paved with just saving pennies, it's paved with smart and strategic investments. Investments are like seeds planted today, growing into a forest of financial freedom tomorrow. Investing wisely is all about understanding the balance between risk and reward. It's the art of putting your money to work in a way that has the potential to make you even more money. Think of it as a financial jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a different investment option, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to find the right mix that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. The wealthy understand that not all investments are created equal. Some are high risk, high reward, like investing in a startup. Others are more conservative, like bonds or a savings account. But remember, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. It's like walking a financial tightrope. You need to balance your desire for returns against your ability to withstand the potential losses. Diversification is another crucial concept in wise investing. It's the proverbial advice of not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can reduce the risk of a significant financial loss. It's all about balancing the act. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term commitment. It's about understanding the power of compound interest. The snowball effect that happens when your earnings generate even more earnings. Over time, that little snowball can grow into a massive financial avalanche. So how do you start investing wisely? Well, it begins with education. Understand the basics of investing. Learn about different investment options. Research, read, and stay informed. Knowledge is your most powerful tool when it comes to investing. Smart investments can be your ticket to financial freedom. So plant your seeds today, nurture them with knowledge and patience, and watch your financial forest grow. Rule 4. Avoid debt like the plague. Now, why do we say this? Simply put, debt is a millstone around the neck of your financial health. It's like an invasive weed, choking the life out of your garden of wealth. It's a burden that keeps you awake at night and a shadow that follows you around during the day. When you're in debt, the money you should be saving or investing is instead going towards interest payments. It's a constant drain on your resources, and it can keep you from achieving your financial goals. This is why it's so crucial to pay off your debts as soon as possible. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, prioritize settling these obligations. If you're considering taking on new debt, stop and think, is it truly necessary? Could you save up for it instead? Remember, if you can't afford it, you probably don't need it. This is a key principle in managing your money like the rich do. Avoiding debt is not just about financial discipline, it's about freeing yourself to make the most of your money. It's about empowerment and control. It's about financial independence. Remember, if you can't afford it, you probably don't need it. Rule 5, never stop learning about money. The world of finance is like a vast ocean, deep, wide, and constantly changing. Just as the ocean currents shift, so do financial trends and strategies. It's crucial to keep up with these changes. Continual financial education can come in various forms. It could be reading books by financial gurus, attending seminars, or even enrolling in online courses. The key is to remain curious and open-minded. This ongoing education allows you to adapt to new financial scenarios, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but also about preserving and growing it. In the world of finance, complacency can be costly. So, don't rest on your laurels. Stay updated, stay informed. Remember, in the game of money, the best defense is a good offense, and the best offense is knowledge. So, make learning about money a lifelong commitment. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Now you know the 5 rules to manage your money like the rich. These rules aren't just abstract concepts, they're practical and implementable steps that can transform your financial status. We've delved into the importance of living below your means, cultivating a saving habit, investing wisely, avoiding debt, and continuously educating yourself. It's one thing to know these rules, but the real game changer comes when you incorporate them into your daily life. And there's no better time to start than today. Begin with small steps, gradually making each rule a part of your financial strategy. The journey to financial freedom isn't always smooth, but with these rules, you're equipped to navigate the bumps. Now, if you're ready to take it a step further, there's a wonderful product that can help you reprogram your brain to attract abundance. Want to reprogram your brain to attract abundance? Check out this product and start your journey to financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage it.